Minimalist Christmas decor, simple, elegant, and festive. Welcome back to Home Decor 101. The holiday season is here, and for those who find joy in simplicity and serenity, minimalist Christmas decor is the perfect way to celebrate. In today's video, let's explore what minimalist Christmas decor is all about, how you can achieve this refined look in your own home, and tips for making your holidays feel cozy, festive, and beautifully understated. Let's dive into the beauty of less is more this holiday season. So let's start with a very important question. What is minimalist Christmas decor? Minimalist Christmas decor strips away the excess to focus on the essentials. It emphasizes clean lines, muted tones, and a curated aesthetic that feels peaceful yet festive. This style is ideal for those who prefer a clutter-free environment and want to avoid the visual overwhelm that often comes with traditional holiday decor. It's not about sacrificing the holiday spirit, but celebrating it in a calm and truly intentional way. But how would you accomplish this minimalist Christmas decor at home? Well, minimalist Christmas decor is all about thoughtful choices and very careful curation. Here are some practical tips to bring this style into your home. Number 1, focus on a neutral color palette. I know some people may not want to hear this, but it really works very well with a minimalist style. It often relies on soft, neutral colors like whites, creams, beiges, and even light grays. You can add subtle pops of green with evergreen branches or small accents of metallics like gold and silver for just a touch of sparkle. Also, keep it natural. Nature-inspired elements are a staple of minimalist decor. Think fresh pine branches, eucalyptus wreaths, and wooden ornaments, just simple linen stockings. These natural touches bring warmth and texture without overwhelming the space. Number 3, declutter before you decorate. Minimalism thrives in a clean and uncluttered environment. So before you start decorating, take a little time to declutter your space. Purge some items that you aren't using, or just go ahead and redistribute them in other areas of your home. Focus on creating a blank canvas that will allow your holiday decor to truly shine. Number 4, choose quality over quantity. Rather than filling your space with countless decorations, select a few high-quality pieces that you truly love, something that means something to you or you find beautiful. A simple, elegant wreath on your front door, a single garland along your mantle, or a minimalist tree can really be all you need with this style. So what goes into minimalist Christmas decor? Let's break down the key elements of this style. Number 1, the tree. A minimalist Christmas tree often features a natural or artificial tree with sparse but meaningful decorations. Choose ornaments in a monochromatic color scheme or stick to one material like glass or wood. For a modern twist, leave the tree bare except for lights. Have you all seen that style? I've been seeing that a lot more. I love ornaments, but this is a very beautiful tree. Number 2, wreaths and garlands. Stick to greenery for wreaths and garlands. Think eucalyptus, cedar, or olive branches. Keep them simple and unadorned, and add small details like white berries or a satin ribbon in a neutral tone if you like. Number 3, tablescapes. Let's talk about Christmas dinner. For your dining table, opt for a simple runner with a few carefully chosen centerpieces such as a small potted evergreen tree, pillar candles, or even a bowl of pine cones. Keep the look cohesive and uncluttered. Next, accent decor. Choose understated decor items like simple ceramic figurines, wooden stars, or a single elegant nativity set. Limit the number of decorative pieces to keep the space feeling very open and airy. So why choose a minimalist Christmas decor theme? Minimalist Christmas decor is becoming increasingly popular, and for a lot of good reasons. It's timeless. The style doesn't rely on trendy elements that may feel outdated when you go back to use it in a couple of years. Also, it really reduces stress. A clean, uncluttered environment can help create a sense of calm during the busy holiday season. Also, it's super sustainable. By choosing fewer, higher quality pieces, you're embracing sustainability and reducing waste, because you don't have to replace those pieces in a couple of years when the really cheap ones break. Also, it's very budget friendly. You don't need to buy a lot to achieve a stunning look. Many minimalist decorations can even be DIY'd using natural materials that you can find on an evening walk outside. So let's talk about how to make your Christmas decor shine. Number 1, use symmetry. Balance is a key principle in minimalist design. Arrange decorations symmetrically to create a sense of harmony and order. Number 2, let the space breathe. Don't feel the need to fill every nook and cranny. We are going totally opposite of the maximalist more is more philosophy here. Negative space is a hallmark of minimalist design and allows your decorations to really stand out. Number 3, incorporate functional decor. Choose items that are both decorative and practical, like a cozy blanket draped over a chair or a bowl of fresh fruit as a centerpiece. And number 4, DIY with nature. We talked about this, but here's what I mean by that. Go outside and gather pine cones or branches or other natural elements to use in your decor. My friend is a huge minimalist, and I have actually seen her go outside and take clippings of her shrubs to sprinkle along the middle of the table on the runner, which makes a decorative element. It was beautiful, it's free, and she's doing a little yard work. It really adds such an organic touch to your space. So let's talk about where to find minimalist Christmas decor. Minimalist Christmas decor is easy to find at stores like IKEA, of course. They are I believe a company that is based in Sweden, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a lot of Scandinavian inspired items. This is perfect for a minimalist style. Also, CB2 and West Elm, perfect for modern, understated pieces. And you already know I'm going to shout Amazon out. Speaking of, check the description box. If you want to bring this style home, I've sourced some items that would make your home a beautiful minimalist oasis. Minimalist Christmas decor proves that less can truly be more by focusing on intentional choices and embracing simplicity. You can create a holiday atmosphere that feels calm, elegant, and festive. Thanks for watching Home Decor 101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Also, I'm curious, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite element of a minimalist Christmas decor style? I'd love to hear how you plan to style your home in this holiday season, or if there is another style that you prefer better. I'd like to know that as well. Until next time, happy decorating and happy holidays.